In this video, I'll show you how to add a messenger button to your Facebook page in just a few simple steps. Adding a messenger button makes it easier for people to contact you directly from your page. Visitors can tap the button and instantly start a conversation with you on Messenger. First, open the Facebook app and go to your Facebook page. Once you're on the page, look under your page name where the action buttons are located. Tap on Add Button or Edit Action button. Facebook will then show you different button options that you can add to your page. From the list, select Send Message. This option connects your page directly with Messenger so people can contact you easily. After selecting it, tap Save to confirm the change. The Send Message button will now appear on your page, allowing visitors to message you instantly. And that's it. That's how you can add a messenger button to your Facebook page. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.